নিয়ে যাবে আমাদেরকে কথা বলবো ও হাজার দুয়ারি কত নিবে একজনে হ্যাঁ এ আর গান আওয়াজ সিঙ্গে হিং থানিটা পরিষ্কার খায় না ওরা Hello guys, we came here and this is monument. West Bengal Murshidabad is a famous place and somehow famous monument. And this is called a Hajardwari. Before from that Murshidabad, the West Bengal king used to stay here. See guys, this is the monument and here see the building guys. It's very nice. And that side is the main gate. Use dustbin for garbage. No entry. Come on. Come on. It's real, I think. Guys, I reached in the museum. See the views. Lots of people are there. See guys. So this is the exit. This is on his entry. 이거 넣어. Mangka tiket mangka. Guys, this is my ticket.